Morning, Ben. Morning, Bill. Who was that, Bill? I don't know, Ben. Thomas, do you see that very fast engine who passed by? He must be very full of himself, racing about like that and surprising other engines. Was that him again, Bill? I think it was Ben. Oh, maybe we should teach that Speedy Wheels a lesson. Maybe we should, Bill. Hello there, Speedy Wheels. How about a race, Connor? You and me, up to Oster Castle. One piston? Tuh, nonsense. You go as fast as you like. You'll be surprised how fast I am. Very surprised. Go. What took you so long? I thought you would be fast. Oh, I was probably going so fast you must have seen a blur. Don't worry about it. We can race again. Back to the bridge. Go! Oh dear, what happened here? Oh no, has Connor broken down, sir? Uh-oh. Ooh! I'm not Bill, I'm Ben. You must want my twin, Bill. I'll go get him. Oh, bother. Oh, look at you, Bill. Hello, Kevin. I'm Bill. I'm here to be repainted. Set-top and hat sent me? Oh, really? I don't remember that. Surely it's supposed to be a different color from being repainted. Or perhaps, if you won't let me be repainted, perhaps I should tell Sir Top and Hat. You mean Bill? Oh, like the new color, Ben. It really suits you. Suits you too, Bill. Trick you. Bye-bye. Ooh, look, Bill. Oh, there's Connor. Maybe he wants to race. With a freshly painted engine. Well, Ben, I believe I was the one who was supposed to be repainted. I said he wants to race back to the Steam Wars. Hello, Connor. Recognize me? Care for a race? Back to the Steam Wars then. Maybe sooner than you think. It's a waddle. At the Cecil, I think. There's a notice out there in our shed. Causes sneezes, spread diseases. You got a cough in your smoke box. It's your fault you let the Cecil take our trucks away. It isn't. It is. But the Cecil will magic us away like it did to the trucks. That's genius, Bill. It is, Ben. Yes, I do mind. I want my trucks back. Oh, you're a big bully. You'll be sorry. Truck stealer. Hello there. Goodbye. Hi. Try to catch me. You didn't catch me. Surprise! Yes, we're twins. We're not playing any tricks. We're rescuing our trucks. Even you don't take our trucks without asking. But this the Cecil did. Oh, wow. We're sorry, Mr. Yes, Edward.